So let me explain to you how you can get your 4 extra days for the month. So let me walk you through a scenario where you spend 2 hours reading each day. Reading of what, you may ask? Well, reading, whatever reading that you do. Reading of books, of novels, reading of textbooks, reading newspapers, reading documents like Word documents or PDFs, reading your office material, reading your reports, reading journals, research articles. Well, all the reading that you do, whether online or offline, just think of how many hours you spend reading each day. And let me walk you through a scenario where you are spending 2 hours reading each day to explain how you can get 4 extra days for the month. So if you spend 2 hours reading each day, it means that you end up spending 2 into 7, 14 hours reading for the week. If you spend 14 hours reading for the week, you multiply that by 4 and you realize that you're spending 56 hours of reading for the month. You're spending 56 hours reading for the month. According to project management, a man day is considered to be 7 hours. A man day is equal to 7 hours of productive, focused work. So if we divide our 56 hours that we spend reading by 7, we get 8, which means we are spending 8 man days reading for the month. That's a lot, isn't it? Just spending 2 hours a day, but you add that up, we end up spending 8 man days reading for the month. Now with lightning reading, which is our version of speed reading, at the minimum, you will become 100% more productive in reading than you are by the end of the program. That's amazing. Which means if you spend 2 hours reading each day, you'll be able to finish the same amount of reading, not using up 2 hours to read, but just 1. You'll be able to finish all the reading that you normally do in half the time at the minimum. In half the time at the minimum. Which means if you spend 2 hours a day reading, you'll be able to finish that in just 1. And that means instead of spending 14 hours reading for the week, you're just reading for 7. And 7 into 4, you're spending 28 hours reading for the month. You take your 28 hours, divide by 7 hours for a man day, and you get 4, which means instead of spending 8 man days reading for the month, you just need to spend 4. Yeah? That's how you get your 4 extra days, because it means you have a saving of 4 days, isn't it? Isn't that amazing? So think for a moment what you would do with these 4 extra days. So let's just stop for a moment and I'll give you a chance to think of how many hours you spend reading each day. Alright, so we got that. Now in this table, you see, according to the number of hours that you spend reading each day, how many man days you would gain, how many extra man days you would have for the month. The first column is the number of hours you currently spend reading each day. In the middle you get, after learning the skill, how many hours you will have to spend to get the same amount of reading done. So if you currently spend 2 hours reading each day, you'll just need to spend 1 hour. So you're going to spend just half of the time that you normally take to read. And in the last column you get, according to the number of hours you spend reading each day, how many extra days you will have for the month, forever, for the rest of your life. Isn't that amazing? So think of what you could do with this time. Extra time to spend with family and friends, extra time to study, extra time to work out, extra time to have fun, extra time to read, extra time to focus on your career. So if you spend 2 hours reading each day, you get 4 extra days. If it's 4 hours reading each day, you get 8 extra days. And if you spend 6 hours reading each day, you get an amazing 12 extra days for the month. Isn't that absolutely amazing? I'm sure you want to get started now. Let's go on with the rest of the free course, our free webinar. and then you can start learning the skill. I'm really excited about being able to teach this to you.